Many programming languages have the notion of a main function, which acts as the entry point for a program. Python doesn't have main functions. When you run a .py file from your system command line, Python will run all of the code in that file. Now, this is us running a .py file as a Python script, as a program. But what if we import a .py file? In that case, Python also runs all of the code in that .py file. It's very weird to see something printed out when you import a module. This .py file here really wasn't meant to be used as a module. It wasn't meant to be imported. It was meant to be run as a script. Now, it's unusual in Python to make one .py file that can both be imported as a module and can be used as a Python script being run from the command line, but it's possible to do. So we have a .py file here that if we run it as a program, it does something. But if we import it as a module, it doesn't do anything except give us access to functions and whatever's in that module that can do things. How is this possible in Python? So it turns out there's a way to ask the question, are we being run from the command line? Or rather, is our current Python module the entry point to our Python process? This question can be asked with dunder name equal to the string dunder main. That's a double underscore name, so underscore underscore name underscore underscore. Every module has a dunder name variable, and by default, that dunder name variable is a string representing the name of that module. But that's if we're importing the module. What if we run that .py file from the command line? In that case, dunder name is not going to be the name of that module. Instead, it's dunder main. So here we're really asking the question, are we the entry point to our Python program, or are we being run from the command line? And if we are, we run our greet function. Now, you may sometimes see Python programs that have a main function. Python doesn't know about main functions, but there's nothing stopping us from making a function called main that we only run if we're being run from the command line. If you need to make one .py file that can both be used as a module, being imported, and can be run as a Python script to do something, you can check the variable dunder name in your module to see whether it's equal to dunder main.